Hello, myself Sivamohan Babu Veludutti. I am the course instructor of full stack development, and I have to introduce myself first. And I'm a software engineer, and I have worked in various type of startups and edutech companies and also MNCs. And I develop projects on business based logic based tools and the enterprise based applications. So currently, I would like to teach the full stack development, the topics which I covered from this course on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. So let's looking into the course. So come to the MERN. So which is defined as stands for MongoDB, E stands for Express.js, R stands for React.js, and also N stands for Node.js. So in this full stack development course, I would like to cover the web development courses first with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also front-end based JavaScript library, which is React.js, and backend. And I would like to teach Node.js and also Express framework with Mongo database. So let's come to the introduction of HTML. If you know about the HTML, then you will develop the single page application. First of all, what is HTML, and let's know about the introduction part. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and it is a language the browser will understand, which is in the form of document, and it will be accept the display with the elements, attributes, and also tags. These HTML code can be create the web pages, and also the most of the browsers implement the HTML to help the display of web pages. So let's move to the HTML is first introduced by the Tim Berners-Lee in 1990, and he's also invented World Wide Web with the hypertext transfer protocol of HTTP and also HTML. So let's move to the CSS. CSS is a cascading style sheets. By using this CSS, we are implementing the styles in the web pages. So after adding the web pages, after adding the styles, whether it is a fonts, position, and also paragraphs, to adding these HTML elements, we can display the fully like background images and colors, which are various effects are included here, and we'll know more about the concept. And CSS is easy to learn, and also which is like the document type of structure, and also by using this CSS we can build the web pages with attractive designs. Let's move to the JavaScript. JavaScript is a dynamic computer programming language, and it can be a lightweight and which can be implemented with the client-side script. So majorly in the application we are work on the JavaScript both frontend and backend. JavaScript was first known as LiveScript, but the Netscape has changed its name into the JavaScript. Now JavaScript is popular among one language in like list of above 10. So this Netscape is introduced in 1995, the purpose of embedded in the Netscape. So which is mainly used in the web browsers. So let's move to the React.js. So React.js is commonly named as JavaScript library, and by using the React.js and features, we can build the enterprise based application and also single web page applications. And React.js is provide the solid feature set and kickstart a web application, and this is integrated with the many frameworks and also libraries. And React.js community from last 10 years, it will be very popular among the web-based applications. So let's move to the backend part. So up to HTML, CSS, JavaScript and also React is a front-end part, and come to the backend, and this is the Node.js. Node.js is a server-side platform. We can build the server by using the Node.js, which is developed Ryan Dahl in 2009, and the latest version of 10.30. And Node.js is an open source class platform, so we can build the application with the Node.js, and after we are creating the server, we can deploy the application into the backend. So this is also runtime environment in the browser, so which is completely the web application is using Node.js for the great extent. So let's move to the Express.js. Express.js is a Node.js framework, and it will be provide the simple APIs for the building of websites and web apps, also backends. By using the Express, we build our own application, and it provides the tools which is required for the numerous modules available on the Node package manager. So Express is developed by the TJ Holovac and is maintained by the Node.js Foundation. It is also open source network, freely available in the browser. So MongoDB is one among the database, and these MongoDB is mainly document object database, and also it is high performance, and also the concept of collection of the documents. Let's move to the second one. Each database gets own set of files, and it single MongoDB serves typically as a multiple databases, so which can be added advantage to which can be hold the all physical database entity. And let's move to the next one, collection of the documents of MongoDB. We can equivalent of the RDBMS. RDBMS table means, so it is like the relational database management system, a collection of the single database. We do not enforce a schema. So schema is not required here, and the document within the collection having the different fields. So after you are going to the next in the course, so we will know about the MongoDB. So this is the architect, how we build the application. In the front end, we are go with the React with the multiple languages which are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap is a CSS language, CSS framework to build the attractive application with the React.js, and the backend which is Node.js web server, and the integrated with both front end and back end, we build the application. And the database management system is used to store the data within the DB. So we can retrieve the data so based on the requirement of the applications. And the next one is these full stack development MERN advantages and also disadvantages. First of all, we are go with the advantages. Front end, back end is completely written in the JavaScript only, and which can support the MVC architect model view controller. And the last one is it is perfect for the creating the efficient web applications. And let's move to the disadvantages. So every type of programming language having advantages and disadvantages. So come to the disadvantages part. React heavily relies on third-party modules. So if we use the perfect way, which is no problem, so the modules may cause problem if you are not properly maintained. So that is the disadvantages in the JavaScript with the full stack. So let's move to the differences in MERN and MEAN. MEAN is a combination of, in the front end, in the MEAN we are using AngularJS. The applications are same to develop the application with the AngularJS and both React.js. In MERN we are using the React.js. So if we use the AngularJS, we can build the application, and also by using the React also we can build our own application. So but we are going to the MERN in this full stack development course. Okay, so come to the conclusion of the MERN development or full stack development, which can build the modern applications. And also the many peoples are in India are enrolled this MERN stack course is because of it is huge demand right now, and MERN is so popular choice for the web development because of flexibility and scalability. So mainly these features are important while we are creating or develop one application, and which can be allowed a dynamic web application. Let's move to the next point. So MERN developers or can build the web applications with fast, reliable, and secure manner. And finally, MERN provides a rich set of features that make it easy for the developers to build high performance based applications. So by using the MERN, we have so many advantages, and also by learning the full stack development course, we have more opportunity you get by learning these MERN stack codes. And also job opportunities are very high, and in every and any, like after 10 years the develop when the company having to develop the application, so the main we can the language the language which are using the JavaScript is popular among the all type of programming languages, and the JavaScript is used for the both front end and back end in this MEAN course. So that is added advantages to uh, basic who are the non IT background. This is mainly useful for you to understand and to develop the application from the scratch. And thank you.